Today we had Sunita Narayan and Chandrabhushan from the Center for Science and Environment in New Delhi come and release their report on the toxic contamination of soil and groundwater in and around the Bhopal factory. And what they showed was that the groundwater as far as 3 kilometers from the factory was contaminated with a whole lot of organochlorines and heavy metals. And what they showed was that inside the factory premises, the soil samples were heavily contaminated, and these were chemicals that cause cancer, that cause birth defects, and cause damage to the liver, kidney, lung, brain, and various other systems in the bodies. What they did was to provide the scientific basis to say that the factory is still maiming and killing people, and that what is being spread by the state government and the central government to protect Dow from its liabilities are unscientific rumors and statements that are just being issued so that Dow can walk away from its Bhopal liabilities. What Sunita Narayan and Chandrabhushan in their report stated that what Dow's liabilities would be indeed very heavy, considering that so much area has been contaminated. And they also underlined the urgency with which this problem needs to be addressed.
What does this mean for the people of Bhopal, for the victims?
For the people of Bhopal, it means that since they do not have access to big scientific laboratories, it means that they have found scientists who are coming out with their own skills and techniques to substantiate what people have been saying for a long time, that these poisons are getting into our bodies and are harming our unborn children.